C.B. Patil from Sangli and Venkat from Chennai. Rajendra Mekal from Pune, the backbone of this full get-together. Myself and Sunil Khune from Nashik. Mahesh Sarlaya from Sangli, who drove down getting C.B. Patil with him. The gang coming together, Anil Phatak, Valuchkar, Satish Manhot and Anil Bhatt. More members joining up, Mahabal in Banyan, Richard in yellow t-shirt, Anil Bhasin in Sadra and the remaining in blue t-shirts. Tushar Mehta from Pune with a French beard. Sarlaya, Moili and Anil Bhatt picking up breakfast. All batchmates enjoying a breakfast of idli, vada, sambar and uttappa with chutney. Pankaj Shenoy and Vijay Nisar to your left and Anil Bhasin and Anil Phatak to your right. Chandan Shah, C.B. Patil and Valuchkar staring at the camera. And this is the Garden of Elysium. Richard got a call from Mumbai saying that his wife was not keeping well and had to be hospitalized, so he left immediately after breakfast. As of now, she is perfect and will be discharged from hospital shortly. After breakfast, it was playtime. Cricket. Pankaj was the wicketkeeper, Phatak, batsman, fielders, Anil Bhatt and Mekal. Bowler was Rajesh Bhatt and all other players were fielding. Table tennis, Mahesh Sarlaya and Venkat. Chandan was the referee. Against Anil Phatak and Jitendra Panchal. All others were spectators. Today, Siddharth Oberoi flew down from Delhi and Ashok Kulkarni picked Siddharth, Ram and Sunil Thakkar. And they drove down to the resort. They had prior commitments and hence they could not spend 2 days with us. Next was a session in the swimming pool. Myself, Anil Bhatt, C.B. Patil and Rajesh Bhatt. We enjoyed ourselves. Maximum depth of this pool was about 5 feet. Water was very clean. The weather was extremely hot and we really chilled out in this pool.
अरे आवाज करो यार, ये वीडियो है। आजा आजा, चश्मा निकाल।
अनिल का गांड देख के भेंचो चश्मा छोड़ दे रहा, गांड निकाल रहा है।
ये बाहर
यावेळी आमच्या बायकोन नाही पटवलं, ते पुढच्या वेळी तुझी गांड बघून आमच्या बायको नाही पाठवलं।
अनिल, मेरा मोबाइल गिरेगा ना, नया तू दे देगा मेरे को। मसाज हो रहा है।
पॉइंट है।
आजा आजा आजा।
आ जाएगा फुल सॉलिड
हाय
महेश, हाउ आर यू? ये सुनील, ये
हाय माय डियर।
अरे ये ना टाइम पास करून अरे एका बोटाने असं कर ना, असं देखील सेफ प्लेस मध्ये ठेवून घे बोटाने। विनोद,
From the right, Rajesh Bhatt, C.B. Patil, Anil Bhatt and myself. We were joined by Manoj Avlani and Dr. Valuchkar. Left to right, back-seated Rajesh Bhatt, C.B. Patil, Manoj. Shirsagar. Top row, left right, Dr. Valuchkar and Satish Manhot. Followed by Anil Bhatt and Mahesh Sarlaya. I am mentioning all names because after 38 years, you should be able to identify the person. Left to right, Pankaj Shenoy, Ramesh Moili and Vijay Nisar. They were playing carom. Here you can see Venkat and Mahesh on the TT table. On the opposite side, Anil Phatak and Jitendra Panchal. Left to right, Vijay Nisar, Uday Dharia and Pankaj Shenoy. Most of us indulged in playing cricket, swimming, playing table tennis and carom. After that, we went back on the first floor where our other friends had gathered around Mahabal. Mahabal is the master of all trades, also known as Rancho or Radar. We were now calling each other by our college names. Anil Bhatt was Bhatia, Mekal was Mekya, Pankaj was Pakya, Manoj was Mania, Thakkar was Thakral, Valuchkar was Walia, Khune was Khunia. We were really tired. Had a sumptuous lunch, veg and non-veg. Jain food was made for Vijay Nisar, our Jain participant. Followed by caramel custard and ice cream. We then had a nice afternoon nap. All relaxed till around 5:30. After that we had our tea, sev puri, biscuits, tea and coffee. As we were having our tea and sev puri, Chandan Shah, who had organized our t-shirts, had also organized our caps. He distributed the caps to one and all of us, and then we went to the waterfront for photo session. Mahesh Sarlaya treated Anil Bhatt with some therapy as his left leg was paining. As we put on our caps and proceeded with the photo session, the locals of this area were busy catching fish and crabs in the Patal Ganga river flowing nearby the resort. They were moving around in their small dinghies in the river. Could be these were the fresh fish that were fed to us in this resort.
समा है सुहाना सुहाना नशे में जहां है किसी को किसी की खबर ही कहाँ है हर दिल में देखो मोहब्बत जवां है समा है सुहाना सुहाना कह रही है नजर नजर से अफसाने कह रही है नजर नजर से अफसाने हो रहा है असर के जिसको दिल जाने देखो ये दिल की अजब दास्तां है नजर बोलती है दिल बेजुबान है समा है सुहाना सुहाना हो गया है मिलन दिलों का मस्ताना हो गया है मिलन दिलों का मस्ताना हो गया है
तो यार दिल्ली वाला आया है तू. हे बंड्या झाले. ये नॉनवेज है, वो वेज है. मेरे लिए नहीं लिया, वो टेबल में रखने को.
करे ऐसा हो जाए मेरी निंदिया तो मिल जाए मैं जागूं तू सो जाए मैं जागूं तू सो जाए काम करे ऐसा हो जाए मेरी निंदिया तो मिल जाए मैं जागूं तू सो जाए मैं जागूं तू सो जाए गुजर जाए सुख से तेरी रुत भर बाकिया बदल लूं मैं तोरे अखियां बस में अगर हो जाए ना मांग दुआएं हाथ पुगाए मेरी दुनिया तो ही मिल जाए जागूं तुम हो जाए मैं जागूं तू सो जाए हो तू ही नहीं मैं ही नहीं सारा जमाना दर्द का है एक फसाना तू ही नहीं मैं ही नहीं सारा जमाना दर्द का है एक फसाना.
Manoj Kshirsargar and I had an understanding. We were roommates on this get together, and he had got his karaoke system. On day one, he would not get drunk and he would handle the karaoke system and the singers. On day 2 was my turn to remain sober and handle the karaoke system. So you will notice that on the first day I did not sing many songs, but on the second day, as I was on the system, I had the opportunity to keep singing in between as the other singers prepared, and hence I have bored you a bit more today. As the night progressed, more and more of our mates became singers, and everybody had the confidence to come in front of the mic and sing and entertain all the classmates.
कहते हैं ज्ञानी दुनिया है पानी, पानी पे लिखी लिखाई है सबकी देखी, है सबकी जानी, हाथ किसी के न आने, हाथ किसी के न आने, कुछ तेरा न मेरा, कुछ तेरा न मेरा, मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ, गम ले ले, गम ले ले, गम ले ले घड़ी भर, फिर से याद आएगा कहाँ, वहाँ कौन है तेरा। प्यार की वो मुलाकात, प्यार की वो मुलाकात, सब दूर अंधेरा, सब दूर अंधेरा, मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ, दम ले ले, दम ले ले, दम ले ले घड़ी भर, ये चैया पाएगा कहाँ, वहाँ कौन है तेरा। सिंधु न चले ये दूसरे शाम गए, तेरा जिया मेरा मरना तेरी आँखों के सिवा चल काहे जा आपकी आंखों के नाम, फोटो के नाम, आपकी आंखों के नाम, फोटो के नाम, आंखों के नाम, फोटो के नाम। फोटो को छू के लचकाए जाए चौथे बदन जुल्फों की झड़काए जा आइए आपकी आंखों के नाम छोड़ोगे ना आप ही का नाम लेकर पी है सभी ने पी है सभी ने आप पर धड़कते हैं करों के सीने पायों के सीने यहाँ अजनबी कोई नहीं भाइयों का शौक मनाना फजूल था भाइयों का शौक मनाना फजूल था फजूल था मनाना फजूल था भाइयों का जश्न मनाना चला गया जश्न मनाता चला गया और फिक्र तो हुए मेरा समझ लिया
फ्लो गाने का पुकारता चला हूँ मैं
जो मिल गया
कंफर्टेबल है
मुकद्दर समझ लिया समझ लिया मुकद्दर
थोड़ा पास में
समझ लिया जो खो गया मैं उसको भुला था चला गया जो खो गया मैं उसको भुला
कल हुआ क्या गया
फिक्र तो हुए मेरा
शम्मी कपूर का कोई गाना
खुशी में फर्क महसूस हो जहाँ खुशी में फर्क न महसूस हो जहाँ महसूस हो जहाँ महसूस हो
क्या हुआ मेरा वादा
क्या हुआ तेरा
मैं खुद को उस मकाम पे आता चला गया चला गया जिंदगी का साथी चला गया फिक्र को हुए उड़ाता चला गया
थोड़ा ट्रिकी गाना है तू कौन सा गाता है मैं वो ढूंढ पाएगी
The party was coming to an end. Our batchmate Mirin Ladge, who lives near Panvel, had come up with 2 cakes, 2 delicious cakes to celebrate our friendship and 38th year after passing out from MIT. We cut the cakes and all of us really enjoyed. Party time was over. Tomorrow morning we would all get up, have breakfast and go back to our respective homes. We are all in our retirement age and hence we don't know next year whether all of us will be here or no. We have lost quite a few of our classmates in all these years and who knows whose turn will be next. Hopefully we should all be together with a lot more friends joining to enjoy the moments that we have left together. Sunil Khune presented us with Chivda and Kishmish. Chandan Shah and Tushar Mehta gave us Bhakarwadi and Peda. We remembered our classmate, batchmate Kaustubh Chidgupkar, who had passed away in the last year.
लोग कहते हैं मैं शराबी हूँ, लोग कहते हैं मैं शराबी हूँ, तुमने भी शायद यही सोच लिया। लोग कहते हैं मैं शराबी हूँ। किसी पे हुस्न का दर्द, जवानी का नशा, किसी के दिल में मोहब्बत की रवानी का नशा, किसी के हुस्न में सूरत की जवानी का नशा, बिना पिए भी कभी हद से गुजरना है नशा। ओ नशे में कौन नहीं है मुझे बताओ जरा, नशे में कौन नहीं है मुझे बताओ जरा। नशा है सब में मगर रंग नशे का है जुदा, खिली खिली हुई जुल्फों पे है शबनम का नशा, हवा पे खुशबू का शमारल पे है रिमझिम का नशा, कहीं सुरूर है खुशियों का कहीं गम का नशा। नशा शराब में होता तो नाचती बोतल, नखरे झूम के पैमाने में होती हलचल। हो नशा शराब में होता तो नाचती बोतल, नखरे झूम के पैमाने में होती हलचल।
All good times must come to an end. Looking forward to the next meet in Bangalore next year. Hopefully, we will all be there together with many more batchmates. I have made this video exclusively for our friends who could not make it to this bash and who live far from us but are still in our hearts every day. Modern technology like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. have helped us keep in touch with each other although the years have passed. Batch by batch, we packed our bags, got into our vehicles and departed. People going to Pune went that side, people going to Mumbai that side, and from there people flew out to their